How to cancel orders on AliExpress after shipping. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you a quick and easy way to cancel your order on AliExpress after shipping. The first thing you're going to have to do is just tap on AliExpress app and open it up. Once you open this one up, you just need to make sure that you're logged in. So if I head over to my account, as you can see here, I'm already logged into my account. And once you're already logged in, you'll find your order section right here on top. Just tap on the view all option. Then the orders that has already been shipped will be on the shipped tab. Just head over to this tab and you'll find your order here. Now if you want to cancel the order, just select the order, scroll down to the bottom of it, and then you'll find an option to cancel instead of buy now or add to cart. Then you should be able to simply cancel your order. Now you can also contact the store's representative. If you tap on the chat icon right beside the order, you can just go ahead and type in your message here and they should be able to help you with your cancellation as well. If not, you can always rely on the customer support. So tap on the 24/7 help customer service, and then from there you should be able to tap on the support icon at the top with a little headphone right beside the I button. It will open up the help center and then go to online service. Now you can just type in that you want to cancel your order that has been shipped. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.